You don't lose women because you're not good enough. You lose them because you're not in control. Not control over her, control over yourself. Most men walk into attraction already defeated. They seek approval before respect. They chase attention before building value. They react before thinking, and then they wonder why they feel powerless. Here are 5 dark psychological truths about attraction that most men are too emotional to accept. Truth number 1. Neediness is visible. You can hide words, you cannot hide energy. If you're waiting for her text, refreshing your phone, analyzing her tone, she feels it. And desperation silently kills attraction. The man who is busy building doesn't wait, he moves. Truth number 2. Emotional reactions lower your status. If she cancels and you get upset, if she tests you and you explain yourself, if she pulls back and you chase harder, you've already given up power. Strong men don't react instantly. They observe, they pause, they respond calmly. Silence is stronger than emotional paragraphs. Truth number 3. Scarcity increases perceived value. If you're always available, you're easily replaceable. High-value men have schedules, they have goals, they have standards. They don't drop everything for temporary validation. And the moment you stop making her the center of your world, you become more interesting. Truth number 4. Mystery creates intrigue. Oversharing is insecurity disguised as openness. You don't need to explain your entire past. You don't need to justify your boundaries. You don't need to reveal every plan. Let her wonder. Curiosity builds attraction faster than constant reassurance. Truth number 5. Walkaway power changes the dynamic. The man who is afraid to lose her loses her. The man who can walk away without anger, without drama, without begging, wins. Because confidence is not loud, it's calm. Attraction is not about controlling her mind, it's about mastering your emotions. It's about building a body that shows discipline, a bank account that shows ambition, a schedule that shows focus, a mindset that shows strength. When you are centered, you stop chasing. When you stop chasing, you start selecting. And here's the real dark truth. Women are not attracted to men who try to control them. They are attracted to men who cannot be controlled. So stop asking how to manipulate. Start asking, can you control your impulses? Can you control your jealousy? Can you control your need for validation? Because the man who masters himself never needs to manipulate anyone, and that is power.